Let's try to solve this from exercise 5.3, the fourth problem. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum 636? So, here the Sn is given, which is 636, and A we know 9, and D we can find out, which is 17 minus 9, which is 8. So, what we have to find here is how many terms of the AP. So, which is n? We have to find n. So, let me use the formula for sum of n terms, which is S n equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the value. For n we do not know, n by 2, Sn we know. So, 636, the remaining value 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 for d 8. So, 636 equal n by 2, 2 9s are 18 plus n minus 1 into d. 636 equal, so here 8. So, in the next step we can divide the whole term by 2, right, since 2 is the denominator, common denominator. So, let me write n into 18 by 2, 9 plus n minus 1, 8 by 2, 4. So, here 636 equal, let me multiply inside. So, 9n plus n into n minus 1, 4. So, listen carefully, 636 equal 9n plus, again I multiply inside these two, n square minus n into 4. 636 equal 9n plus, again I multiply these two, n square minus n into 4. So, I can multiply 4n square minus 4n. So, in the next step 9n minus 4n, which gives me plus 5n. So, let me write it in the next step. So, 636 equal, so after all the calculation, this is my equation. So, this is quadratic equations. By solving these quadratic equations, we can find the value n. Let us use the middle term technique, splitting middle term technique. So, 4n square. So, 5n I can split as plus 53n minus 48n. Minus 636 equals 0. So, from the first two terms I can take the n as a common number. So, remaining is 4n plus 53. In the second two terms I take minus 12 as a common number. So, if you multiply by 12, I get remaining is 4n plus 53, same as this, equals 0. So, after these two terms, which is common, 4n plus 53 is common in both terms. So, I take that out, 4n plus 53, and remaining is n minus 12. So, n minus 12 equals 0. Let us equate both terms to 0. So, 4n equal minus 53, n equal minus 53 by 4, and n minus 12 equals 0, n equal 12. So, here we got two values. Which value is the correct one? So practically n cannot be negative numbers or rational numbers, right? It must be the whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So we can take 12 as the n value. So we can conclude there are 12 terms must be taken to give sum 636. Let's try solving the fifth problem. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So what are the values given? Let me write the given value first. The first term, which is A, is given 5 and the last term, which is L, 45 and the sum is 400, S equal 400. Find the number of terms n and the common difference d we have to find. So let me use the formula. If last term is given, Sn equal n by 2 into A plus L. Let's substitute the value. For n we don't know 2, for Sn 400, for A 5 plus L. So L also given, so let me substitute the value 45. So total here 50 and let's reduce it 25 n. So here 400, so n is 400 divided by 25, 16. We found out the n value, which is 16. To find d value, we can use the formula for finding the nth term, which is an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. For a 5 plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15 into d. So actually here an is the last term, L. So L is given 45. So after solving all these, I got 15d. So 40, 15d. So d equal 40 by 15. So 8 by 3. Let's try the sixth one. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So what are the values given? Let me write the given data. A equal 17, the first term, and the last term, which is L, 350, and the common difference D equal 9. So what we have to find, how many terms? So n equal what and what is their sum? Sn. These are the two terms we need to find. First of all, the formula we have to use here. If the last number is given, last term is given, what is the formula? Sn equal n by 2 into A plus L. Here we have S and n, two unknown terms, right? So let me use the another formula, which is L, to find n value, then substitute in this formula to find Sn value. So what is the L formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. The same formula to find the nth term in the previous topic, right? The L. So here the last term is given, we use this as a, we replace L for an. So let me substitute the n value and d. So here L value is 350 for A 17 plus n minus 1 into d 9. 350 minus 17 equal n minus 1 into 9. So 333 equal n minus 1 into 9. So n minus 1 equal 333 divided by 9, which gives me 37, so n equal 38. Let's substitute the n value in the formula. So Sn equal, so for n 38 by 2, for A 17 plus, for L 350. So let's reduce it, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18. So 19 into, if you multiply, if you add these two, 367. After multiply these two, 6,973. This is our Sn value.